it's Dawn Beltrami from Wazell Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is located at 22811 Bridgewater Drive, Spring, Texas. This is a gorgeous single-family home, perfect for your first-time home buyer or if you're downsizing. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. We're asking $179,000. It's 1,844 square feet. It was built in 1996. You have no back neighbors. You have a walking path that's behind the home that connects you to the community center. And I'm having an open house here this Saturday from 1 to 3. And then we're also having an open house Sunday from 1 to 4. Guys, this house has been totally refreshed. It's been updated. And wait till you see the master bathroom. It is the bomb. Let's not waste a minute and let's walk this house. So you enter into the home with this bright red door that's welcoming to this light, airy, single-story home. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. It's all been freshly painted. It's a beautiful gray color. You have these wonderful water-resistant vinyl flooring. They're all new. You have gas cooktop with microwave. You have the siltstone countertop. You have this bright open breakfast room area, and you have the refrigerator that also comes with the home. And you have a lot of space here in the living room, and this furniture as well can be purchased with the home. And you have the same flooring all throughout except in the master bathroom. So to the left, off of the living room and the kitchen, you have your 2nd bedroom facing the back. It's very quiet. It's the same beautiful gray color. Again, the vinyl floors continue through. And then you have a walk-in closet that's really got a lot of space as well. Then you come down the hall. You have your 1st bathroom, sink, tub, shower combo, and that's a new vanity in there. And then you come into your 3rd bedroom. Again, the vinyl flooring. You have high ceilings, arched window. And again, you have a really nice closet that's walk-in with good space. Then off of the living room, kitchen to the right is your laundry room. The washer and dryers also are included in the sale of this home. Again, the vinyl floors continue through. You face the back of the house. That is a no neighbors, green space behind you. The walking trails are all behind there as well. And then you have this amazing master bathroom. This is where the floors change. You have the sink with the granite countertop. You have this wonderful modern light here that's touch to turn it on. Beautiful tile. Look at how large this shower is. You have wonderful space here. Love the tile on the floor. Again, you have the flooring that goes with it. This is that air jetted tub that I was telling you about. Absolutely amazing. The wall colors continue, and then you have this walk-in closet that has a lot of great space. And again, the vinyl flooring here. There is absolutely no carpet in this house. Everything is the vinyl flooring. It's a wonderful, wonderful home. I was not lying, was I? That master bathroom is amazing. That air jetted tub, wow. And I love the shower. It's so bright and fresh. Guys, come check out this house this Saturday from 1 to 3 at my open house. And if you can't make it on Saturday, Sunday from 1 to 4. And if you would like more information on this home or any additional home, my contact information is at the end of this video. And I look forward to seeing you next week at the next Showcase Home of the Week.